Clifford, very dog reactive, who is okay with Maggie now. Good job. Good boy, Clifford. You think you're supposed to mate, huh? Maggie? Nope, you're not. Your mating days are over, buddy. Snip, snip for you. I said snip, snip for you. Those are going away. Come, Maggie. Let's go. Come on. Good job. Good job, guys. Good boy, Clifford. Good boy.